Hey guys, it's Kate back with the Earn Network platform, your favorite and the leading DeFi marketplace for all your crypto investments. We are backed by leading investors such as Marana, Bixen, J Square, LD Capital, GTS, and we've partnered with many prominent projects to create staking pools for their communities. As of now, we have over 6,000 active stakers. You guys have earned a total of 900,000 in rewards. And thanks to you guys, our platform has reached a remarkable 9.7 million in staked value. We support over 80 assets, and that number keeps on growing. Today, I would like to show you how to stake Crow with Knife. Let's scroll on down and find the staking pool. There it is. All right, let's click View and head on over to the Crow with Knife staking pool. First, let's scroll down and see the rewards we have. You guys can check out each of these rewards separately, expand these tabs and see the eligibility requirements, all the information you need to earn the given reward. There you go. Scroll back up. And let's first connect our MetaMask wallet. Up top here, click Connect Wallet. And we are in. In the performance section, you can see your available balance. On the right side, we can choose the amount of tokens we wish to stake. For this one, let's maybe do 500,000. You can type in the amount manually, use little arrows, or click max if you would wish to stake all of your available funds. All right, let's choose the lockup period. We have 3 days we can choose from. If you wish to set a different number of days that are not available on the bottom here, you can use this little green button and pick the exact amount of days you wish to stake for. Of course, guys, the longer your lockup period, the more rewards you will earn at the end. Down here in the rewards summary, underneath, you can see the rewards changing as you change the days and the amount you're staking. So check that out. And once you're happy with your days and your amount, just click stake and let's confirm the transaction in our MetaMask wallet. All right, and we have successfully staked the Crow with Knife tokens. Click Hide, and already in the performance section, you can see the staked amount has changed. You have your redemption date. Once rewards are available, they will be here in the claimed or claimable rewards, depends on if you have claimed them already. If you guys have any more questions, you can hover over these little question marks and they do provide more information for you. Let's scroll back down and you can see your rewards are already earning for you. I actually have 2 rewards I can already claim, so that's awesome. Scroll back up, and again on the right side you can stake more if you wish, extend your lockup period. Over here in this tab you could unstake your tokens if you wish so. We do not advise you to do that, of course. And then at the end you will have your rewards that you can claim in the third tab over here. Let's scroll up, and in this green rectangle at the top right, you can click My Investments, and you will head on over to your dashboard where all of your stake tokens will be nicely displayed for you. If you wish to go back to any staking pool, just simply click View as we did before, and you are in the given staking pool. Okay, let's head on over to the main page, and as always, you can check out all of our top crypto gems that we have ready for you to earn yield on, as always. So don't wait, don't hesitate. Come on over and check out the Earn Network, as there's something for everybody, I am sure. On the bottom, guys, we have our white paper, the Earn token, and articles and updates, which we update very frequently. So you will always know what is happening with us in our community. Click this little gumdrop at the bottom if you guys would need some help from our customer support. We are happy to hear from you. If you would just like to have a quick chat, that is also fine. We look forward to any comments, thoughts, questions, concerns you might have. So give us a quick chat and we will be happy to talk to you. Okay, that is it for this one. I hope everybody has a wonderful day and enjoy staking with your network.